Mi trovo a Vicari, mio paese natio.
Hello, I'm in Vicari by a friend's house, and we're here to prepare the pasta reale, better known as Martorana fruit, which in Sicily is made for All Souls' Day on November 2nd. This Sicilian sweet is famous all over the world. The essential element are almonds, the famous Sicilian almonds, the very good Sicilian almonds. According to tradition, the Martorana fruit was born because the nuns of the monastery of Martorana in Palermo, to replace the fruits they had collected from the trees of their garden, just before the visit of the bishop, they put some new ones, made with almond flour and sugar, in order to embellish the garden.
Il Marcello Magnaci, che è chef, come vi dicevo poco fa.
I am with Marcello Magnaci, chef, who showed us the traditional process of preparing Martorana fruit. It is a cold process. There is no cooking. You combine the almond flour with powdered sugar, and then you knead it with water and honey, which replaces the glucose. When we harvest the almonds, we remove the skin and they are put out to dry. Then we take ujiu, that is the seed of the almond, and we blanch it in order to remove the skin that covers it. The almonds in this way become white, symbol of purity and candor. And that is why the wedding sugar almonds candies are made with almonds as a symbol of love, of purity. Martorana fruit is made with almond flour, honey, water, and icing sugar. After this mixture is put into these molds that have the most diverse forms: nuts, prickly pears, lemons, peaches, cherries, and even fish. And here is a corn cob-shaped Martorana fruit. The final touch is missing, the coloring. And here it is, completed with food coloring, the delicious Martorana fruit. Happy All Souls' Day to everybody with Sicilian Martorana fruit that you can eat all year around. Until next time.
Che la potete mangiare tutto l'anno, vi fa solo bene. Ciao, alla prossima!